Hi, Namaskar. My name is Chandrasekhar. I have about 28 years of experience in the finance and accounting field. I worked with many known names of the companies like Coal India, Facor, Kalyani Steels and Mukund Steels, Master Steel of Indonesia, and Arabian International Steel of Saudi Arabia, and a KL University, which is noted private university. My Some of my specialities during my course of my experience. That is, I was involved for setting up a greenfield to plant into the operating stage, okay, for to the capacity level, and there are uh, we have worked together for working with working capital limits and capital expansions, and I have introduced the cost control and costing methods wherever I was involved in the units, and capital cost control also, and some of the financing projects also I was involved. That is, in the SKS path, I was involved for coal mine acquisition and capital expansion, like one 30 megawatt power plant, that is coal based power plant, one 9 MVA ferroalloy plant, and one wire rod come uh, mm, structural steel, that is steel manufacturing, or steel manufacturing, and we have as a team, we have worked over 1200 megawatt capital expansion for setting up a power plant in Chhattisgarh area. So in that, my contribution is for 300 megawatt first phase capital project, arrangement of the finance. I could be able to talk to the consortium, and the 300 crore bridge loan was arranged there. And working capital facilities enhanced up to 850 crores or something like that. And um, cost control methods which were we have exercised. And we have introduced ERP methods, that is ERP systems, based applications, and SAP based also. And in the Indonesia, I worked to set up uh, high yield. In Indonesia, there is a second-hand machinery. Using the second-hand machinery, we have set up a 30,000 tons capacity per month production. That is a facility which we have uh, set up there. And I involved in the commercial negotiations for bringing the equipment and known names from the China and India, and see that ensure that the project is finished with a low capital budget cost, and approximately the tonnage of that unit is 30,000 units tons per month. That is the capacity of the production which we have achieved there. And I was also involved for setting up some of the key facilities, financing for the expansion of the Varad mill. And I have worked with the KL University, that is a private university, as a CFO for the university for setting up of there is an expansion in the Hyderabad campus requirements, and I have made the working of the workflow, capital flow, and some of the financing for the some hostel buildings, and newer facilities introduction, and imports, project imports for specialty working projects. I manage that, and fees administration, fees control, and we have introduced a lot of the um, job-oriented courses here. And my contribution is for the management side, ACCA and CMA USA courses we have introduced in the university, which was running very well. And I was then overall, I have about 25 years of experience in this field, and I can be able to do something well, and I have already contributed a measurable progress in the companies, and I am waiting for a good opportunity to associate with good companies. Okay. Thank you.